Welcome to our next level LinkedIn marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of LinkedIn on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate LinkedIn marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest LinkedIn marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what is LinkedIn marketing all about? Video number 2, setting up a LinkedIn profile that's optimized for business. Video number 3, creating an engaging company page. Video number 4, using content suggestions to find trending LinkedIn topics. Video number 5, creating effective LinkedIn marketing posts. Video number 6, sponsoring LinkedIn marketing posts the right way. Video number 7, creating and growing a LinkedIn group for prospects. Video number 8, using search to find and connect with leads. Video number 9, creating a LinkedIn traffic ad. Video number 10, creating a LinkedIn video ad. Video number 11, creating a LinkedIn messaging ad. Video number 12, the perfect step-by-step LinkedIn marketing plan for 2020. Video number 13, simple LinkedIn marketing hacks to grow your B2B audience. Video number 14, tips for creating awesome LinkedIn native content in 2020. Video number 15, how to make the LinkedIn algorithm work for you in 2020. Video number 16, powerful in-mail strategies that work in 2020. Video number 17, LinkedIn marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18, LinkedIn marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, LinkedIn marketing success stories. Video number 20, LinkedIn marketing frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of LinkedIn on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training. What is LinkedIn marketing all about? LinkedIn marketing is the use of the LinkedIn platform to promote a business, a brand, a product, or a service. You can also define it as a collection of online marketing strategies that are more effective when applied on the LinkedIn platform. But what is a LinkedIn platform? And what makes it great for online businesses and marketers? Let's find out. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social media site for professionals and businesses. It offers the same social features that you'll find on other popular social media platforms, with a focus on professional content, business information, and career development. How does it work? Contrary to other social media sites, LinkedIn doesn't encourage casual interactions and entertainment. In fact, LinkedIn offers a much more restricted social environment that encourages professional interactions and a heavy focus on business-related content, which works perfect for its intended audience. When you create a LinkedIn profile, you are prompted to include information that would be relevant in a professional setting, such as your work experience, your educational background, the languages you know and speak, and your career highlights. This information will help you to connect with other users, which create networks based on similar career paths instead of interests. You can also connect with companies as well as to create company pages. The key difference here is that you can use company pages to do actual business activities, such as contacting leads and finding recruits. LinkedIn also encourages content generation and sharing. The content that you can share on LinkedIn has to be content directly related to your industry, and that is relevant to your contacts. Other social media features such as groups are also intended to help users create a network of like-minded professionals working in similar industries and following the same career paths. In the end, LinkedIn is all about creating opportunities for people and companies to do business the easiest way possible. Why should you consider LinkedIn for marketing? LinkedIn is a much more focused platform that makes it easier for people to market a brand or products because that's what the platform is all about. By creating a profile that highlights your authority and sharing content that is highly relevant to your industry, you'll be able to build a network of real people that will grow interested in your offers. Another great advantage of LinkedIn marketing is that the platform is very good at detecting spammers and fake businesses, which means that you don't risk getting your content made irrelevant by a saturation of poor content, unlike in other platforms. What benefits can LinkedIn bring for marketing your business? Creating a company profile for your business on LinkedIn provides you with credibility that is unparalleled by other platforms, where anyone can create low-quality company profiles to deceive customers. Quality and trust matter on LinkedIn, so this is the best place to build an online presence for your business. LinkedIn makes it easy to identify, qualify, contact, and capture leads. This is because everyone specifies their strengths in their profiles, so you'll know in advance what it is they are looking for and what type of products or services matter to them. LinkedIn also streamlines communication with leads because it encourages direct, to-the-point communication about the business at hand. LinkedIn also has an advertising service that is perfect for any business because it is cost-effective and lets you hyper-target the audience that you want to reach. What's the future for LinkedIn marketing? Almost 80% of marketers agree that LinkedIn is the most effective social media platform for marketing, which means that more and more brands, including yours, will be joining the site in the future. Also, LinkedIn is introducing slight improvements and changes to its front end that improve instant communication between users, which increases engagement. So, if you're ready to take your business-to-business results to the next level, then stay tuned, because we're about to get started.